Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. So today I'm switching it up by reviewing some items that I received from Madam Glam. So huge shout out and thank you to them for sending me these products. As you can see, this beautiful packaging. They actually did send it in the month of October when it was breast cancer month, so that's why we have these breast cancer items. My apology for the delay. So they were kind enough to send me 3 different colors of gel polish along with a base coat and top coat. In the packaging, they also included a mini UV/LED lamp to dry the nails, which is very nice. Now, I'm not one to polish my own natural nails, so I decided to get these little nail holders from Amazon that I found, along with some actual press-on nails, a little pack of coffin press-on nails. All right, y'all, so I have already pretty much set up the little nail situation. I placed my nails on this little device that I purchased off Amazon, which wasn't that helpful because I was like, okay, what is the nail gonna stick to? How is it gonna stay on this little device so that I can paint them easily, right? So I had to use one of these little things that came in another nail package that has the little sticky thingies on here. These little sticky things, don't mind my little broken nail, they're about to come off anyway. But yeah, I just used this little sticky tab and just kind of folded it in half to stick it on this device so that the nail has something to stick to. So that's what I did. You know, I'm an improviser. I will improvise in a second, honey, okay? I will figure it out. That's how I am. And that's what I be trying to tell my kids and my husband. Like, figure it out. Think outside the box. Like, don't look for an answer from me all the time. That's where they always coming to me. What do I do? Figure it out. All right, anyway. I digress. So, for these, I'm going to be using a combination of these 3 colors. Again, that I got from Madam Glam. And I wasn't really sure, you know, my pattern I was going to use, but I think I'm just going to do, I don't know, let's just watch and see. Wherever I'm led, that's where I'm going. But before I get there, I am going to start with this peel off base coat. And now let me get my little handy dandy LED light. Does. Can you even see the light? I can't tell if it's on or not. I'm just testing to see if this will go underneath properly. I don't think that it does. Okay, it does. All right, so that's how I'm gonna place it under once I figure out if this bad boy is on. All right, so let me go ahead and start with this base coat and test this real quick. There it is. It came on this time. So let's put it on under there. So now we're going to move forward with the polishing of the colors here. So before I start, let me let you know that this is Madam Glam Soak Off Gel Polish. And this is in the color Jenna. I'm also going to be using the color Goldfinger. Along with Perfect White. This is really thick, y'all. Really thick. I like that. I like the fact that you may only need one coat of it. It's very thick. We are going to go under this UV light. That's under there. I'm going to do the same thing over here.
Now, even though I wasn't having much luck with the LED/UV lamp, I must say that this gel polish is some really good quality gel polish. And if you're interested in it and want to save some coins, I will leave a coupon code here on the screen to save you 30% off of any purchase you make with Madam Glam. So feel free to take advantage of some savings, y'all. You know, we like to save them coins.
All right, y'all, so I have finished polishing the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and let them sit overnight, and then I'll take these off, get my natural nails together, and put them on probably tomorrow and see how they work out. All right, y'all, so this was pretty much a fail. I will take it as a fail for me. It has been, I think like 2 days later, 2 or 3 days later since I polished these, and the LED or UV light is not the best because the nail is like still sticky. You can see my fingerprint on there. So it needs some more time under the lamp. Before the redo, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue the clear nail on myself first and then add the polish and go back under the UV light. Now, I'm probably not gonna show all of this process because I don't want this video to be super long. So I'm just gonna work this out. This is trial and error, y'all. This is trial and error. I am going through the trial so you can avoid the error, okay?
All right, y'all, so as you can see, I have just finished or almost finished going through this second attempt using a different UV LED lamp that I already had. It's another mini version. So I thought that this lamp would perform a little better, so I thought I'd give it a try, and in hopes that the nails would dry a lot better than it did the first time. So now I'm just adding the top coat, as you see. So this, of course, was another failed attempt, unfortunately. So I had to basically go on Amazon and order me a real deal heavy-duty LED/UV light, the lamp that they actually use in the nail salons in order for this to be successful. So let's see. This is the nail lamp that I purchased, and I have already gone ahead and placed the clear coffin press-on nails on my fingers, as well as put the base coat on one hand. So now I'm going through with putting the base coat on the other hand so that I can get it to dry. And the actual first hand dried pretty well, so this was giving me hope that having this particular nail lamp worked a whole lot better than those little mini things I had before. In addition to that, another lesson learned throughout this process was that actually polishing the nails on my fingers worked a whole lot better than putting the press-on nails on that device that I got from Amazon. So this worked a whole lot better. Just polishing on my nails and just being careful with how I polish works so much better than using the little press-on nail holder. So now I'm going to go through with polishing these nails for a third time. This is attempt number 3. And I'm not going to show the entire process. I'll just show like, you know, a couple nails or like maybe one hand at a time. I don't want this video to be super long and I don't want to bore you with just polishing my nails. So I'm going to show you some of how I polish these nails and then come back with the final look. All of the information pertaining to Madam Glam will be listed down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. That includes the discount code that I mentioned earlier in the video. All of that information will be down below. So this is the final look, and I would definitely consider this third attempt as successful. I like the way the nails came out. They actually dried this time, and I am finally pleased with the outcome. This has been a long journey of trial and error, y'all, let me tell you, but I'm glad I made it to the finish line. So I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.